Hi YouTube, it's time for another tutorial. We're going to be making Quadrobics paws, so get your paper, scissors, pen, and tape together, and let's go ahead and fold that paper in half. Hamburger style, of course. The first thing to do is to design the strap to hold on to. So just turn the top into a rectangle. Then you have to sketch out what you want your paw shape to be like. You could do circles, you could do triangles, whatever you want. We are going to be adding claws, so just keep that in mind. Once you have that cut out, go ahead and cut it down the center as well so that we have two paws. And you can also cut out the straps. And then same thing as the last one, just cut it in the center so that you have two. And there we go, there's the base. Then I'm just going to cut out the claws, which is optional. I fold the scrap piece over a couple times and use that to cut a bunch of triangles out of. I want to try doing longer claws next time just to see how that would look like, so experiment with it. Then it's time to tape those bad boys on, so find the back side of your paper and tape them all on. When you are finished taping both of them, it's time to do the straps. So you will tape the rectangles up towards the top near the fingers of the paws. This is what that looks like. And then all that's left to do is color with some permanent marker. Once you are finished coloring, that completes your paws and they are ready for use. These are one of my favorite DIY projects I've done. If you're interested to see some of the other paper crafts I do, go ahead and check out my channel Tail Squared Gold, and I'll see you over there. Also, thank you to my subscribers!